My, doesn't that look good in the sun? This will be the Maiden test hover. Just a hover. Here we go. Normal mode. We're at 41% head gain right now. Tracking looks really good. Oh yeah, this feels really light. Woohoo! Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. 51st, guys, in my neighborhood. No spotter. Yeah, it feels badass, that's for sure. And a little extra length on my blades. I went ahead and just put the Azure Power 560s on there, just because they look like they fit. And I thought I'd try them.